Hello everyone. How are you today? I hope that all are doing well. And today we will have another tutorial about using joins. We will discuss about join and its inner join, the right join, the left join, and the cross join. We will have some examples, and the database that we're going to use is the classic models, which we have loaded on the last tutorial. So the first one that we're going to discuss is about the um, inner join. So inner join is the default joins. So it returns the values of one relation if it has a matching tuple in another relation. So let's have this sample problem. Display the customer name of customers handled by an employee, Patterson Steve. So now let's try it in our MySQL Workbench. So as you can see here, as we can recall, we have the company here. The company has tables, customers, employees. We have offices, order details, orders, payments, product lines, and products. These are the tables for the classic models database. Okay, now let's go to the problem. So the problem says that we are going to display the customers handled by an employee, which is Patterson Steve. So let's go now to selecting which columns are we going to use. So we're going to select the columns to use. Specifically, we have the customer name and we have the last name and first name of our employees. So we have last name of the employee, select last name, and then we have the first name. So we can just directly use the column names because no duplication of names for these tables. Okay, select last name, first name. And for the side of the customer, we need to have the customer name. From, we have the from here. What tables are we going to use? So since we are told of the customers and employees, so basically we'll be using employees and the customers table and customers. But then, since we're going to join two tables using the keyword join, we're not going to directly use from employees and then the other table. So we'll have employees, join, we have the customers table, and then the keyword on, and then we're going to look for the foreign key, primary key relationship of this one. So when we look on the customers, we see that sales rep employee number is a foreign key that refers to the employee number which is in the employees table. So now we can connect or join employees and customers through the sales rep employee number. So join customers on employee number is equal to sales rep employee number. So if you're going to execute this query, we'll see all of the employees who have customers. So these are the customers handled by Hernandez. This is for Thompson. So when we don't set a condition, all of the employees and their handled customers will be displayed. Now, let's put a condition because we'll just display all of the customers handled by Steve Patterson. So if you're going to do it like this, one by one, so you're going to run through all of this, but we have a condition. We can make a condition statement for it to be easier. So we can put here where last name like We have here Patterson. And since there are also last names here that starts with Patterson, we need to have another condition. And first name, like we have Steve. So if you're going to execute this query, we can see that these are the customers handled by Patterson Steve. So we have Diecast, Automoto Classics, Martas, Gift, and so on and so forth. So this is how the join works. So if you are going to put here inner join, still the result will be the same. So this is that's why join and inner join will have the same results. Now let's go to the next part, which is the left join. So for the left join, it will display all of the columns which is in the left table, even if it do not have a corresponding tuple equivalent to it on the right table. So we will have display the customer name of customers handled by each employee. Include employees who do not have customers. So in this case, our left side table is the employees and our customers is the right side table. So let's implement it in our database. Okay, so we'll still be using these columns. We'll just omit some of this. We'll omit the condition, and then we'll put here the semicolon, and then we can still use this one. So select the last name, the first name, and the customer from employees. Since this is our left side and this is our right side, we can just put here left join. So let's see how it works. Okay, so we can see here that Murphy and all, this one, these are the specific customers handled by the employees here. So Jennings, we have here. Thompson, we have here. Fairley, we have here also. But there are with null values, just like Murphy, Patterson, Mary, Fairley, Patterson, William, Bondur, and Bao. So these are the employees who do not handle customers. Okay, they're not handling customers. Okay, maybe they're, it's not maybe, but because they are not sales representatives. So this is how left join works. So even if it do not have corresponding tuples here in the right side, or in the right side, which is the customers, it will still be displayed. So if you wanted to display all those employees who do not handle customers, you can put here a condition where sales rep employee number is null. Okay, so you can have this one. So you have this columns here. So these are the employees who do not handle customers. Now let's go to another one. So the other one is the right join. Okay, for the right join, it will display all of the rows in the right side, even if it does not have equivalent on the left side. So for example, we have a sample problem. Display the employee's last name and first name handling the customers. Include customers who do not have sales rep. So it is a reverse of the left join sample we have last time. So now let's go to the sample. Okay, let's go back there. Okay, so we have here our query at a time. So let's omit this one. So let's put here right join and differentiate it with the other or with the previous one. So if you have right join here, so we'll see that the null is on the side of the last name and the first name of employees. So this one do not have sales rep handling them, these customers. So if you want also to know who are those customers who do not have employees handling them, we could have here this one where we could put a condition where sales rep employee number is null. And then that one. Okay, so we can say that this customers do not have a sales representative yet. So that's how the right join and the left join are differing from each other. So in the left join, we see the employees who do not handle customers. On the right join, we see the customers who do not have sales representative handling them. Now let's go to the last part, which is the cross join. So unlike the other conditions, cross join is different. Okay, so what makes it different is that cross join displays the Cartesian product of the join tables. Means that if a table has 4 rows and the other table has 5 rows, so if you're going to multiply 4 to 5, we have 20 rows as a result set. So how to do that one? So for this one, we're going to delete this condition and it do not have the equivalent side. Okay, just do like this and then we'll have the keyword cross join here, cross join customers, and then execute. Okay, so if you're going to execute it, what will happen is that all of the employees will be joined to each of the rows in your customer side. So as you can see, we have here Murphy to Atelier, Patterson to Atelier, and all. So it's just simply combining the two through a Cartesian product. So again, the cross join do not have a condition on it. So it's just simply applying the Cartesian product on the join tables. So there are still many rows for this. Since the limit is just 1,000 rows, so we just have these rows. So those are the ways and how the joins are used. So we have discussed about the join, the right join, the left join, and the cross join. So if you have questions and clarifications about the joins implemented in MySQL, you can just put here in the comment section, and you can also give me some ideas on what are the possible tutorials that we will have the next time. So please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I hope that I will see you around in the next tutorial. Thank you very much. Bye bye.